Alright, what's good everybody? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Alright, so today I have something very special lined up. So I know if there's one thing every sports car needs is carbon fiber. So today I'm going to be showing you guys an install of some of my personal choices. I made an order a couple weeks ago for some parts and they're coming in today. So right now we're going to unbox them and show you the full install. Alright, let's get into it right now.
Perfect.
I just got a knock on my door, so I think my package is here. Let's see. And here it is. Alright, so it's finally here. My spoiler just arrived in the mail. I'm really excited to open it up and check it out. Hopefully you guys like how it is. I decided to get a carbon fiber spoiler for the BMW. Hopefully the quality is very good. First time buying from this seller, so looking forward to unwrapping it and seeing how it looks. Alright, so here it is unboxed. I'm just gonna unwrap it right now and inspect it. I really like that they gave me some double-sided tape, so this should come in real handy for the installation. Oh, so I just unwrapped this and damn, the thing look good. I'm gonna pull the rest of it out and look at it. But man, definitely good quality. Alright, so here it is unwrapped. That's it, real nice. I like how on the top is really wide, and then on the back, you know, it has a very subtle kick on it. Definitely should give the car a really nice offset on the back. I'm gonna go do a little test fit right now and see how it looks. Alright, today is the day. Hopefully it's in here. And here it is. Finally, I've been waiting for this for so long. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's see. Any of you guys can guess what this is? Yes, I've been waiting for these for so long. These are my brand new carbon fiber mirror caps. These are actual covers that replace the stock ones and should definitely give the look I was looking for. And these are the M3 style for the BMW E90. I think these also fit on the E92 for certain years. Looking forward to putting this in and seeing how it looks. Alright, so in addition to all of the goodies I have, you know a car can't be complete without some front splitters. So I picked these up as well. Same carbon fiber pattern as the spoiler and the mirror caps. Should definitely give the front of the car that nice aggressive sporty look that I was going for. I already applied double-sided tape to it, so it should be a pretty easy process. I already did a test fit earlier. I know that these areas right here are exactly where I need to place it. And yeah, the fitment was pretty good. So right now we're going to go downstairs and install this along with the spoiler and the mirror caps. I just popped off the stock mirror cover. It's pretty easy. I use a little trim tool. So there's 4 tabs basically you have to get to. 1, 2, 3, 4. I basically started at the top, work my way around. Didn't really take too much force. You have to be very careful because you don't want to break any of the tabs. So right now I'm just gonna do a little bit of test fitment with the mirror cap and see how it looks. Alright, so before I put it on, I just wanted to show the difference. This is a stock mirror cap and this is the upgraded one with the little M3 wing there. I think it looks very aggressive. Really good quality especially. Alright, and bam. Yeah, thing looks sick. Yeah, so really happy with how this came out. As I said, this was a stock mirror cap. So from this to that, what do you guys think? I'm gonna do the next side right now and then show you guys what both of it looks like. So just as a reference, this is what the stock one looks like over here, and this is what it looks like with the carbon fiber. Sick. Alright, so I'm gonna do the second side. So I just wanted to show you guys before I snap it in. As I said, you kind of line it up and then you just gonna push until you hear a snap. Alright, and there she is on both sides now. Yeah man, I'm really happy with how it came out. Yeah, I guess next up we're just gonna put on the spoiler and then the front splitters, and this should be good to go. Yeah, really happy with the fitment. Everything's lined up properly. no gaps or anything, and trust me, it really sets off the front of the car. Definitely, if anybody interested, just shoot me a message. I'll just send you the details to purchases. Here's Bay looking super nice. As you know, yesterday we installed the carbon fiber side mirrors, super fresh, and today I put on spoiler. Already cleaned up the trunk nice and clean, and here it is. It's super nice. So right now we're just going to put the double-sided tape on it, line it up properly on the trunk, and it should be a pretty easy install. Just gonna line everything up with the tape. I'm thinking of probably doing just one strip on the back and then one strip on the front, and that should be able to hold it. So alright, here we go. Alright, and we're done. As I said, line the top and the bottom. I think I might just put one extra strip in the middle, just in the center, just to make sure it has extra stability when it's on the back. But other than that, it's pretty ready to go. So just added the extra strip. You don't know, we don't want anything to make the spoiler fall off. Can't take any chances. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount it right now. We're already marked off the mounting points, and yeah, it should be pretty easy. She is done. It's so sick. Into the details of the carbon. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I personally love it. I know there were some other versions, like a more aggressive high kick with some pointy tips in the middle. Didn't want to go with that. I think the M Performance style is the best option, especially for the lines of this car. And I'm really happy with how it came out. Everything pressed on firmly, and so I'm just gonna leave it overnight to cure on the trunk, and yeah, one step closer to being finished. Alright guys, so we got to the final piece of the puzzle. We're gonna be installing the front splitters on the car. I already went ahead and I vinyl wrapped the surface just to make it easier to apply it, and also, you know, just in case the fitment isn't fully perfect, it'll be blacked out just in case. As I said before, I already did a test fit, so I shouldn't really have too many issues with the fitment. Right now I'm just going to finish prepping the surface, and then we're going to go ahead and just apply the front splitter on. Let's get started. Up this side. Right now we're just going to leave it taped up with the painter's tape, just to allow the double-sided tape to cure. Yeah, so I'm pretty pleased with the fitment for the most part. Just want to make sure that the edges right there heat up to the body, and same thing for these edges over here. Already went and did a retest fit on this side, so all I need to do right now is just remove the double-sided tape and do the same thing as I did over that side, and we're done. I think the parts that I chose came out really nice. Quality of the carbon fiber is spot on. Looks really good in my opinion. What do you guys think? The second splitter is on, and now the look is finally complete. So again, let me know what you guys think. I'm super happy with how it came out. So we did the front splitters, got the carbon mirror caps installed, and also the carbon spoiler. So if you enjoyed the content today, please don't forget to smash the like button. Please remember to leave your comments if you like the setup that I did, and yeah, let me know what you want to see in the next video. Alright, until the next episode, I'm out. See you.